Hello, my name's Veronica and I'm here to tell you about pen to print. A few years ago I'd gone to the adult education classes in Dagenham and I enrolled on the creative writing courses, and from there it showed me how to structure a story and how to put your storyline into a certain order. Right out of the blue, I got an email from the old tutor that I had at the Dagenham College, and she'd put in it and she'd said, "Oh, Veronica, there's a pen to print launch that's going to take place within the next week." She said, "I thought I'd just send you some details about it." I wasn't sure what I was going to expect from the pen to print, but after listening to some of the speakers there, I felt that they inspired me so much to start writing my own book. And I thought, well, if these people from local areas, like from Dagenham and Romford, can do this, then you know, that has now opened the opportunity for anyone to start writing. So I entered the pen to print competition, and it was really pushing me out of my comfort zone. And I found the process quite hard going, but at the same time I was achieving something. And the process was, I think we were given 9 months, if I remember rightly, from start to finish to get the book finished. We were also coming to creative writing classes that the pen to print had laid on, and I just listened and just learnt so much, and then was going home and putting that into my writing, into my book, into my story. It was something I always wanted to do, and this was an opportunity that I couldn't miss.